Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Homestyle Braised Tofu with minced meat. So let's start cooking. Now let's put our dish together. Heat up your pan or wok. I'm using Gourmet 30cm Nitrodene wok. Heat it up. Add in a good amount of oil. Swirl the oil around. Add in 150 grams of minced pork. If you do not take pork, you can change this to chicken, or if you want this dish to be vegan, you can actually replace this with mushroom, no problem. Spread them up. I did not marinate the pork. I like using this wok because I can use my metal spatula. You need to brown the pork a bit. I'm using medium heat now, and we just need to brown this pork. Now remove all the moisture from the pork. If you do not fry until the minced meat is dry, this dish will not be so fragrant. So just stir them around, brown them up. Once the pork starts to brown, we'll add in our ginger. 5 grams of ginger minced, pour it in. 3 cloves of garlic chopped, put it in. Fry them until we can smell the beautiful fragrance that's coming out from the ginger as well as the garlic. Wow, smells really good. Now we'll put in 1 teaspoon of black bean paste as well as 1 teaspoon of soybean paste. All in. Add in also 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce as well as half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. Wow, smells really, really good. Now we add in 200 milliliters of water. Give it a stir. Deglaze the pan a little bit. Now we'll put in our firm tofu. This is 200 grams of firm tofu, cut into small cubes like this. Put it in. Spread them out. Make sure all of them have good contact with the sauce. Put the lid on. Turn the heat to the lowest, and we'll simmer this for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 20 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. Now we add a few dashes of pepper. Depending on how dark you want this to be, it can be 1 or 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. We like this darker, so for us it's 2 tablespoons. Gently mix them up. Now at this moment we can switch the heat up to medium-high. We'll thicken this up with some cornstarch solution. Now we add in 1 tablespoon of Shaoxingjiu or Chinese cooking wine, splash by the side. Half a teaspoon of sesame oil, drizzle it in. Finally, 2 stalks of spring onion, cut up into small pieces like this. Put them all in. Turn off the heat. Give this a good toss, gently. And our dish is done. It's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. The sauce coats the tofu beautifully. Very, very nice. Rice with the minced meat as well as the sauce or gravy. Perfect with steamed rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you and bye bye.